I know you can't hear me, but we made it. Supposedly you can hear, but you can't. This is nice as that lake I had to walk 50 million stairs. Okay, I didn't see that one. And look how clear the water is. And I think I've got my finger over the hole. This is it. Check it out. Very beautiful. Here we are, waiting, and I'm going to sit down. Now, my red snapper and my pork. That's where they cook it, right there. It's amazing it doesn't fall off. Another one right there. For another tour, but I didn't want to do everything. These boats go in there and out. Little traffic jam here so we can go into the cave. Man, these guys work hard. Look how many people they got working just to get the boat out. Must not have a reverse. Oh, he's in reverse. But he was in there sideways unloading, I would say. A little crowded here at the cave. Looks like the stairs right over there. Not much parking. And those stairs, if you can see them, they're definitely not American standard. Really, there's no reason to put this in there. You won't be able to see anything. Not if they don't have lights in there. Alrighty. Alrighty, we'll see if you can see. I'm ready for a new battery. Stalactite, stalagmite. And I got it working, but it's not really working. You got to pull the battery and then it won't shut off. But I got very, very, very little here underwater. And over there you can't see it. Oh, it's the most beautiful place. This filled up with water very slowly. And we got all kinds of stalactites and stalagmites underwater. And over there, you get to swim in between the stalactites and stalagmites. Anyway, there's our guide. He works so hard.
Why?
So this is going to be a real hassle. I can pull my battery and then put it back in. Hey, take her to the stairs. Oh, okay. Anyway, I was gonna say take her to the stairs. They got stairs behind us. Anyway, so we're gonna see if it works again. We're gonna turn it off. Beautiful, beautiful cave, and I couldn't get much underneath. Okay, this is where the cave is. Sorry we didn't get a very good video. By the 360, not the GoPro, we'll do a video on that now. Had two of them. We're coming in here. Check out the boat. Oh boy. Beautiful. They probably work here. They had a nice place for government. And we're coming in here to eat our awesome food.
We're still in the lagoon. Then after the
It's gonna be cold.
at the beach we will eat, not here.
It's gonna be cold. All right, where are we going?
The lagoon, Twin Lagoon.
Swim?
Twin Lagoon. Remember the lagoon?
And I can't bring this.
Why?
Doesn't work.
Why?
All right. Can't take the GoPro. It's not really working. Oh no, it didn't work. Alrighty, or whatever. Okay. Do it one more time. Uh-oh. Okay, here we are. You can see how beautiful it is. Left side. I'd say that's a big tour boat. Alright, no, that's too much. Left, right only. Right only. Okay, turn it off. Here we go. Let the tour guy give her a tour, and I'll just stay here.
You want swims?
Absolutely. Look at the color of this water. Beautiful. We lost Michelle. She's been gone about an hour. But look how beautiful it is. So we moved over here. Let's see if we can find her. This is the best part. We're gonna eat right here. Somewhere. Can't make this out. Alrighty. And all these people came off this big boat. Their food was supplied by the boat. If you get a tour, this is what you get. They're on the big boat. Hey.
Babe,
No, I don't want it. We bought it for you. The rice.
you get one, sir?
And my red snapper, I gotta eat the whole thing. That's right, she's not gonna eat that. We got it all. This is our 1,700 peso meal. And we're eating right here in a hut. And we got the sorry store here, right? Okay, we got a sorry store. Oh, look at that. That'd about kill me. My red snapper here is awesome. The pork is very good and the mango is perfectly right. And so is the watermelon. Now there's a tour boat. They got 20 people in that boat. It's got a bathroom. They supply food. Okay, this is what I got left. That's about a quarter of my fish. There's my fish. I don't know how we're gonna eat the watermelon, but we can eat it all then. Now she's taking this one apart. That's what kind of fish?
Milkfish.
That's her milkfish. And we could have eaten over here. Eat with your toes in the water. Much better top. Beautiful. Beautiful. We even have a sorry store. Right here. And we have all this fish for tonight and breakfast. And it looks like, look how beautiful it is. My phone actually works here, believe it or not. They're cleaning it up. They got the big tour and all these people. There we go. Banul Beach. That's where we are. Wind blew you over. You got lucky. Probably buy food there. Another tour boat coming in. A real one. And we've got a bar right here. You can see. And little buku juice. Dark video. I might as well come out here. Check it out. See? It is gorgeous. Alrighty.